Welcome to our comparison of the Black+Decker BCED37 and BCED15 compact dryers. In this video, we will delve into the specifications and features of these two models, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're living in a small apartment or need a portable solution for laundry, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The Black+Decker BCED37 offers a substantial drying capacity of 3.5 cubic feet, allowing it to handle larger loads up to 13.2 pounds. This makes it ideal for families or those who frequently wash bulky items like bedding. In contrast, the BCED15 is designed for smaller loads, with a capacity of only 1.5 cubic feet, making it suitable for individuals or small households. While the BCED37 can dry a full set of towels in one go, the BCED15 may require multiple cycles for similar loads. When it comes to power, the BCED37 stands out with its 1500W heating element, providing efficient drying and faster cycle times. Users can expect their laundry to be ready in under 90 minutes for most loads. On the other hand, the BCED15 operates at 850W, which results in longer drying times, often exceeding 2 hours for damp items. While the lower wattage is gentler on electrical circuits, it may not be suitable for those who need quick turnaround times for their laundry. In terms of design, the BCED37 has a larger footprint, measuring 23.6 inches in width and 21.5 inches in depth, making it less portable and requiring more space in your laundry area. Conversely, the BCED15 is incredibly compact, with dimensions of 19.5 inches by 16.1 inches, allowing it to fit on countertops or in tight closets. This makes the BCED15 an excellent choice for dorm rooms or RVs, where space is at a premium. In conclusion, choosing between the Black+Decker BCED37 and BCED15 depends on your specific needs. If you require a high-capacity dryer for larger loads, the BCED37 is the better option. However, if you prioritize portability and space-saving design, the BCED15 is an excellent choice. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.